Good morning. My name is Ron Morris. This is Moving Forward TV, your local real estate and mortgage update.
And I'm Delynn Gaston. Thanks for watching today.
We're going to talk about reverse mortgages today.
Yes.
Now, they've been around for quite some time, but effective March of '09, the government allowed them to be used as a purchase tool. So we wanted to talk to everybody about that
They
today.
were never used as purchases before, only as
Correct.
refinances. You probably heard about that. But lately, you guys have a lot of senior citizens moving down from up north and paying cash for their house. They don't have to spend all their cash on the house. This could really help them out.
And we've been asked about this recently a number of times out in some real estate offices, so we wanted to kind of talk about the myths and how a reverse mortgage works very quickly.
First, let's dispel the myth. The biggest myth out there that we get is that I'm going to lose my house. People think that they're going to lose their house. No, you are not going to lose your house. A reverse mortgage is just that, keyword mortgage. It is nothing more than a lien on the property, just like a regular mortgage lien.
Right,
the title to the property never changes hand. It still stays in the homeowner's hands.
Correct.
Title.
And let's talk about how they work. Now, I know there's a lot of cash transactions lately.
Yes.
We've been seeing that for
long
a year
time.
now, for quite some time. So there's a way to use this reverse mortgage and allow the seniors, and we'll get into that in just a second, how to keep the bulk of their cash and still have no mortgage payment. So basically how they work is this.
But before that, let's do the rules.
That's what I was going to do. We're going to do the rules. You have to be 62 years old, minimum of 62 years old. And that would be the youngest, if it's a husband and wife, the youngest has to be 62. Has to be for your primary residence, no second homes. And that loan to value is based on the age. Basically, in a nutshell, take the age minus 7, that's your loan to value. So take somebody that's 62, subtract 7, that's 55%. So they're going to get a loan for 55% of the value. Basically, they're putting down 45%. No mortgage payment.
No mortgage payment. That's a biggie. So let's take a look at this in an example.
Yeah, let's use a $300,000 example. Somebody at 62 years old can come up with a down payment, which would be $135,000, and they would have no mortgage payment. And in essence, they would still have 165 of that 300 left in the bank.
Still in the bank. That's pretty nice. And they maintain the title to their property and they can live in it. Now what happens with that is once they do pass away, the same thing is going to happen as if
just a normal mortgage.
Just a normal mortgage. Their heirs will inherit the property and their heirs will decide what to do with the property. Now, they either have to normally what happens is if there's more than one child, the siblings will, one sibling will buy out. So one person will refinance it and buy out the other siblings, or
they just sell it.
They all decide to sell the house. So
like
the same thing happens, and when the house is sold, they pay off the mortgage. Now, what this is to their parents had that $165,000 still in the bank where they can enjoy their senior years. They're not sitting there just, living off their Social Security check.
Right.
They actually have some money in the bank. That's our show this week. If you are seeing us for the first time, please subscribe to the show for free. Also forward this on to your buyers, your sellers, your friends, your neighbors.
Anybody that's going to benefit from it, please get it out
That's
to
right.
them.
Also the
Tweet,
social networking.
LinkedIn, Facebook, all the social networking.
There you go. Remember, we are doing these educational videos so that we can help move this economic recovery along as quickly as we can. We can help your clients. We all can get this done together. We want your business. Please call us, email us.
And as Delynn mentioned, we want your business. That's what we're here for. We cover the whole state of Florida, from Jacksonville to Key West. Right. We can do any loan in the whole state of Florida, and happy to do that. Again, that's what we're doing this. Don't forget our sponsors, our team, as we like to call it. I believe there's a new link for them as well. You need to check that out.
They have a whole
wonderful team as far as
title. They all got videos
title,
on there as well.
As far as title, insurance, and home inspections. We have a great team, so make sure you check that link out as well.
Thanks again for watching. This week we are
Moving Forward. We'll see everybody next week.
Bye-bye.
Hey, she just vanished. How did she do that?
Probably like this.
Yep, that's probably how she did it.